Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, we are going to compare Linear versus Notion, which one is better. Now to go ahead and get started, what is the core purpose of both platforms? Linear is built for fast, streamlined issue tracking. It's perfect for software teams. Now, Notion is an all-in-one workspace for notes, wikis, documents, and project management. Now for the speed and UX. Linear is lightning fast with a clean UI and keyboard first navigation. Notion is flexible but can feel slightly slower with large databases or heavy pages. Now with their features. Linear shines in sprint planning, GitHub integration, and status workflows. Notion is more customizable. It's great for building your own project systems, CRMs, or content calendars. Now for the team use. Use Linear if you're an engineering or product team needing structure. You want to choose Notion if your team is cross-functional and needs knowledge sharing plus light project management. And now, Linear is better for developer teams. Notion is better for flexibility, documents, and all-around collaboration. If this comparison has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.